This is AP Microeconomics, Unit 2, Supply, Demand, and Consumer Choice review video by Harrison Beck. The key point of this video is learning how to shift supply curve and knowing the difference between change in quantity supplied and change in supply. To understand why and how supply curves shift is to use an acronym PITGAPO. In this acronym, P stands for producer and I stands for input cost. Then T stands for technology, and then GOPO is known word as government policies. Examples are subsidy and tax and regulation. Then lastly, E stands for expectation. For in this graph, we will talk about the new technology reduces the cost of producing hybrid cars and how this scenario influenced to the supply graph. Since there's a new technology that reduces the cost of producing hybrid cars, producers will more produce hybrid cars, so that supply will increase, so that this supply curve will shift to right. This time, I'm gonna change the scenario a little bit different. This time, there's a degradation of new technology of making hybrid cars. So the new technology won't help producers to reduce the cost of producing hybrid cars, so they're gonna produce less amount of hybrid cars. So the supply curve will shift to the left, and then it means supply curve is decreased. And there's a totally difference between change in supply and change in quantity supplied. Change in supply is an entire shift of curve to the left or right due to the outsider effect, which is PITGAPO. And then change in quantity supplied is a change in the amount of offers for sale caused by a change in a price, which is movement along the curve. So the curve will not shift, but the points in the curve will be moved, either up or down. Thank you for watching.